What's up, guys? Big Stu, aka Project Excalibur here, and I'm with my 2015 Ram Rebel, and we're gonna put on some leveling links. I'm gonna see how they fit. So we got them 3D printed ones. I'm gonna pull it here in the garage, and then let's go from there. So you have to go in the settings here. Go to suspension, and then we're going to go to tire jack mode. Air suspension temporarily disabled. Okay. And then we're going to jack it all up. Hold on one sec. So go all the way up here. It's raising up. Alright. And then now we're off-road height achieved. And then tire jack mode. And then air suspension temporarily disabled. So let's go from there. So now we have to get underneath and find the actual leveling link area. So let's see what we can find and go from there. So this is it right here. Basically, I need to get this off and then attach the ones I got from the 3D printed company. So let's measure it real quick. So there you go, 39 inches. In the base of the tire. So right now this is all the way up as well. So this is from with the off-road mode. So let's install these links and go from there. So comparing these in length, they're honestly about the same, and I don't know if being a Rebel it's going to sit a little higher, but we can measure it and see how it sits. But if you see this, they're almost exactly the same length, so let's put them on and go from there. So for these level links to be a little softer, it said to boil some water and put the links in there to kind of warm up that side so we can stick them in. So we're gonna try that out and see if that will help any. Hopefully if we boil the water. But first let's get the other links off. This is older garlic that's in there, so it's gonna be garlicky level links. So I'm prepping for a bodybuilding show, and gonna get some garlic in my diet. Alright, try this out. Okay, so that should just snap on. Should. That's kind of tight right there. Let's put it on the top here first, see if it goes on there. Well, that's really tough. I do not know how that's going to go in. Those are we probably have to boil these in water for quite a little longer. So let me just toss them in there and boil them for a while, make them a little more pliable. Boiling my level links. Okay, round 2. Ugh. So these have been boiling for like 10 minutes now. I'm sure they're pretty pliable. I'm turning the water black. This is the garlic special levelings. Oh shit. Woo! Flimsy plasticky pieces. I mean, I'm not surprised it's a Fiat, but come on. It's just... Holy crap. If anyone can give me some good ideas for this, that'll be awesome. Okay, there we have it. That took a little more work than I thought, but it's on there. Yes, and look how it sits too. It's a little bit different angle, so it should sit a little bit higher. So what I learned is that that bottom part, you're gonna need a clamp like this. So that's on there good. Now let's get it up there and measure it. And go from there. Okay, they're both on. We're gonna go tubes. We're gonna go to suspension. Tire jack mode off. Okay, it's in the off-road mode right now. Let's take it down. Oh. You hear the air suspension moving now. I'm gonna go a little higher because these are here. Let me take it back to the normal mode, and then we'll take it to off-road. So the doors have to be closed. So right now, if you see there, it's in off-road mode. So it's lowering now. Okay. Now we're gonna go all the way up. See how high it goes. All right, off-road height achieved. All right, let's measure it real quick and see if there's any big difference. All right, so it's a little bit more. If it was at 39 inches before, now we're at like 39 and a half inches. So because of the leveling, you gain a half an inch. So there you have it. Let's put it to normal mode. All right, thank you guys. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. That we can do more RAM videos and cooler stuff for you all. Appreciate you. Take care.